In January 2005, NASA embarked on a groundbreaking mission, launching the Deep Impact probe into space. The objective? To uncover the origins of water on comets and unravel the secrets hidden in these celestial wanderers. The probe traveled an astonishing 270 million kilometers to collide with the comet Tempel 1. The impact revealed a spectacular sight, water ice buried within the comet, proving that even in the depths of space, water exists. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, searching for answers about our existence. Earth, the only known haven for life, provides everything we need: water, food, and oxygen. But how did it all begin? How did a barren, fiery planet evolve into the thriving world we call home? Billions of years ago, Earth and our solar system didn't exist. Instead, there was only a massive molecular cloud filled with dust, gas, and the remnants of dead stars. Gravity played a pivotal role, pulling particles together and igniting the core of this cloud to form our sun. Leftover particles from this cloud began to swirl around the newly formed sun. Over millions of years, these particles clumped together, creating the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies of our solar system. But Earth's story didn't end there. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet named Theia collided with Earth. This catastrophic impact tilted Earth's axis, giving us seasons, and the debris from this collision formed our moon. These events were critical in shaping the planet's habitability, reassuring and enlightening tone. Earth cooled, its molten surface solidified, and its magnetic field developed, shielding it from harmful solar radiation. Water, possibly delivered by comets and asteroids influenced by Jupiter's immense gravity, began to shape the planet's surface. This unique combination of factors, Earth's tilt, protective magnetosphere, and abundant water, set the stage for life to flourish. Over billions of years, our planet transformed into the vibrant world we know today. But there's one more mystery. How did oxygen, essential for life, enter Earth's atmosphere? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for our next fascinating video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys through the cosmos. See you in the next video.